Drizzle it.
Dunka.
Anybody else, do not interrupt.
Scrambled eggs.
You want this flip, dude?
Scrambled eggs.
So you need to get close. You
I mean, what are you eating, darling? White eggs? Is my gut sticking out?
Please don't open your legs like that. Okay.
Okay. My publicist tells me I have to talk about what we're doing today. I want to go home. Home. Back to the armpit of America. Okay, anyways, we're going back to Louisiana. My boat, my bus.
Yeah, got it.
Splashy, splashy.
Are you wet?
Yep, you wet.
So today we're leaving the island. We came the regular way, which was a highway all the way onto the island. But going back, we're going to take the back door out by ferry.
Fiery.
I was shocked at our 45-foot, 44,000 pound bus. No, that's 44,000 without stuff on it. So it's probably a little more. Can go on the ferry. Yeah, I think we're about 45,000 to 50,000 pounds.
You had a couple thousand.
We took a couple of thousand, we added a couple of thousand. Next thing you know, boom, it's the same. Anyways, if it's too heavy, we'll tell Toby to walk. It's not a big deal.
What?
And we'll head up towards Beaumont and back into Louisiana. Get back with our Cajun friends. Baby, let the good times roll.
Baby, baby, baby. Oh, baby.
Comment if you like Justin Bieber.
Comment if you hate Justin Bieber.
No, comment if you like Justin Bieber.
Comment if you hate.
I really know.
Because we're leaving today. Going back to Mr. Ricky.
Hey, stop it, jail man.
Ah! He has a good grip. Ah! Whoa! Ah! Ah, that's my eye! Hey, no, not my...
Not the face! Not the face!
I need you. I need you.
All right, we're getting the bus ready to go. Right now, until we buy you a new water bottle, this one's gonna be yours, okay?
I got a baby water bottle.
Oh, the windows are locked?
I'm going to fit on both of us.
I had a tape up on the shelf. Do you know where it went?
Yeah, it's on the fridge. Toby, what are you doing?
Sitting in the buckle. I feel like an astronaut.
I'm like pop top. I just get up for like 3.
I have 46 videos.
Good, but it'd be
Go to Belly. I have to back on the bus.
Oh, but you lied. Treasure.
The attic. They went down to the roadside. Now the screws is outside.
Hey guys, we have stopped at Buc-ee's. I think my dad's getting some oil for the bus, and the rest of us are going inside to go to the bathroom and get snacks.
Obviously, we'll get those vehicles imported, and there's a whole process we gotta go through.
More beef jerky.
We've had none.
Adri needed to get that.
I didn't need to.
Yeah, you did.
Mom thought it was cute.
This is our new sticker wall. There we go. Sticker number 2.
Over here. Whoa. What's that, Jesse? Aha.
What do you think?
Is that yummy?
Mother is too scared to open this up because Levi used it as a maracas, so I'm going to open it up.
Actually, he dropped it right on the floor off the couch.
Oh, my nails.
And I'm not scared. I'm just not doing it today.
Oh, come on.
Oh!
It's just now I have to use a knife. I proved Mother wrong again. It didn't explode. Back up the highway to heaven.
And now that is your crackers and it's gluten and we can't have them. And we just got back.